Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Device Manager. Press the Windows key plus X and choose Device Manager, or type Device Manager in Start and hit Enter. Once done, scan the main device list so you can find categories quickly. Make sure to run with administrator rights when you plan to update or reinstall drivers. That avoids permission errors later. You're now ready to locate the camera category without extra setup or delays. Next, expand likely categories. Imaging devices, cameras, or sound, video, and game controllers. Cameras can appear in different places depending on drivers. If you don't see anything, Open View and Enable show hidden devices so unplugged or ghosted drivers appear. Once you spot names like Integrated Camera, USB Camera, or Webcam, right-click to view properties and driver details. That helps confirm. To finish, right-click the camera entry to update driver, disable, uninstall, or open properties for hardware ID and events. After uninstalling, click Action, then scan for hardware changes to let Windows rediscover the camera. Make sure you restart if prompted. If the device is missing entirely, check the BIOS or UEFI to ensure the camera is enabled, and confirm any laptop privacy switch is open. This single tip resolves many missing camera cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.